As a matter of fact, the higher that sunscreen level is, the more toxic the chemicals are a lot of times. And the intermingling of those chemicals with the sunlight is probably more dangerous in terms of leading to skin cancer than avoiding it at all. So what do? You probably want to avoid the intense sunlight anywhere from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. based on where you are and your skin tone, etc. But some things that actually protect the skin are things like aloe vera gel, coconut oil. So, you can lather a little bit of that on. And if you have to use sunscreen, at least do it that has some of these natural ingredients in it, like aloe vera, like coconut oil, sometimes frankincense and other really good things that will actually support the health of the skin.